Ever wonder how your phone can turn a flat photo into a 3D map of a room? Or how self-driving cars see the world around them? It's all about a cutting-edge field called semantic scene completion. And today, we're breaking down a game-changing breakthrough that's making AI way better at this tricky task. Let's start with a big picture. Imagine you're standing in a room, but your view is blocked by a couch. Your brain instantly guesses what's behind it, how the furniture is arranged, where the walls are, even the shape of the ceiling. That's scene understanding, and scientists are teaching AI to do the same. But here's the catch, doing this from a single photo. It's like solving a 3D puzzle with half the pieces missing. Traditional methods tried to tackle this all at once, segmenting visible objects and guessing the hidden ones. But it's a mess. They'd rely on shaky depth estimates, and errors would pile up like dominoes. That's where MonoMRN steps in. Think of it as a two-stage team. First, a rough sketch of the scene, then fine-tuning the details. The first stage, called Course MSSC, uses a lightweight AI to create a basic 3D map. It's not perfect, like drawing the outline of a room with a crayon, but it sets the foundation. Then comes the real magic, the masked recurrent network. This part uses a special type of AI called a GRU, think of it as a memory tool for machines, to iteratively refine the scene. Here's the clever twist. Instead of trying to fix everything at once, the network focuses on the parts that matter. It uses a mask to highlight occupied spaces, like a spotlight shining on the important stuff, while ignoring empty areas. Plus, a distance attention projection makes it pay more attention to objects close to the camera, reducing errors and helping it see around corners. The results? MonoMRN crushed existing methods on both indoor, NIF2, and outdoor, semantic KITTI datasets. It's not just faster, it's more accurate, especially in messy environments. And here's the kicker. It worked with just a single image, no fancy sensors or extra data. But there's another challenge in 3D perception, the bird's eye view. Imagine looking down at a city from a drone's height. That's the bird's eye perspective, a top-down map of roads, vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles. For autonomous cars, this isn't just helpful, it's essential. It's how they plan safe paths, avoid collisions, and navigate crowded streets. But what happens when the weather gets bad or the lights dim? That's where this groundbreaking 2025 research comes in. A team of researchers tackled a big question. How can we make bird's eye view perception more reliable, even in tricky conditions? Their answer? A new benchmarking framework that tests and improves how systems interpret 3D data from LiDAR sensors. Think of it like a fitness trainer for AI, pushing it to handle rain, fog, or shadows with the same precision as a clear day. Here's how they did it. First, they analyzed existing methods, like contrastive learning, teaching models to spot patterns, and frustum-range networks, focusing on specific areas of a scene. But they found gaps. Models often misclassified objects in low light or when data was sparse. So they designed a new approach. Their secret weapon, a multi-scale fusion technique. It's like combining a telescope and a microscope. The system zooms in on details, like a pedestrian's face, while also seeing the bigger picture, the entire road. They also introduced a robustness metric to measure how well models perform under stress, like a car's AI suddenly facing a sudden downpour. What's fascinating is how this work builds on earlier breakthroughs. For example, it refines techniques like rapid seg by adding layers of redundancy. It's like upgrading a car's GPS with backup systems, so if one sensor fails, the others kick in. The results? Their methods improved accuracy by up to 22% in challenging scenarios. More importantly, they created an open-source benchmark, so other researchers can test and refine these ideas. It's a step toward autonomous systems that don't just see the world, but understand it, even when conditions turn ugly. So what's the big picture? These advancements aren't just about better maps. They're about safer roads, smarter robots, and a future where machines can navigate the real world as confidently as we do. And with each new study, we're one step closer to that vision. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how these techniques connect to 3D perception, check the links below. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Automobile Sparkles.